Gangster style, you know. That's all God, and them black. What that? Come now, man.
Yeah, no say work, bro.
Food, I'm strong. Good food, man. You're strong. See, we have got Linstead Market. Ackee. So yes, my peeps, we out here once more again. You see what I go on, we just showing something, you know. Yeah man, my number one fruit, breadfruit. So you know me out here once more again with Run Wildlife Adventure, my peeps.
You know I think, and I remember if you jump over on his channel, you know, you see me? Go over there and watch it for them, like, share and subscribe.
Yeah man, you see him?
Yeah man.
Barracuda, boss, you know. Hold for Barracuda and buy it from me. But today, he might give me some breadfruit free. So I go and hear my people. So we are going to pick some roasting breadfruit, you know, because we are going with that thing, you know, my peeps. Yes man, we are going with that thing. So just stick and stay tuned to the channel. We are going to rob you today, you know. You know, so we are going to rob you today. We want about 20.
Lean up yourself. Here be your fuck.
We are pick some breadfruit, you know, so watch what I go on. We are do it like a monkey. Yes man, I see you climb breadfruit tree on my peeps. You me? Think a plating. Show them say we're talented, you know. Is it? Yeah man. Fly up in that tree quick and fast. Only hope me not drop off still, you know. You see me? Oh, I stick here now. Breadfruit in the far out of my reach. You see none to me. To me and length. Everything out of me and reach. Oh, and Samsung power for use this stick here.
Yeah. You're a picky breadfruit, first one.
First one this. Catch it, Ran, catch it.
Oh, me I catch you, I have a phone. You're rotted.
See that?
See, man, if you
First one that the peeps.
I said if you catch it. Oh, who me fi catch you?
Catch breadfruit.
Think I you me fi catch.
You can't catch me.
Jump now. Watching people. Jump now.
You can't catch me, man. I go up higher. You only ripe. Go roast the same way. Yeah, man. By real yellow heart breadfruit. Just say they're yellow and pretty. So when you think we are good, mash them up with you now. We nah tell you no one, just watch the video. See what I go on. Yeah, man.
Are we working? Yeah. Can I get more to do this? Put the pan in here.
Alright, now we're going to make up one big blurt now for you and roast them, man.
Right, that way.
Alright, Jackie.
Yeah, that. Oh, that Josh, respect, yeah?
Yeah, man, every time. Yeah, man, so we are going to Snoopy. Do. Yes, my peeps. It's a lovely place, not you? Yeah, man, lovely accommodation. For you all who want to visit Jamaica, go to a look view outside. Yeah, man, see it? Lovely. See it? So if you are like tourists, them I come to Jamaica and I look somewhere. If you don't want to stay to the hotel, it's a lovely place. And if you love dog, you have a nice dog, nice pool as well. Yeah, man, the place, nice sunshine. See it? So you say how them can get in contact?
Yeah? Fantasy Villa. Fantasy Villa. Run yeah. Cardival, yeah.
So them can find it through
Pat Reed, Villa.com.
So then, yeah, my peeps, we go get an inside view, I couldn't see what I go on. So you can check it out. What you say name again? Fantasy. Yeah man, Fantasy Villa, and go and check it out if you need a comfortable spot to stay. If you ever thinking about visiting Jamaica, yeah man, you have your own space. If you don't want to go to the hotel.
Go on, take the go right.
Yeah, man, see it? A nice staircase going up. This is some upstairs room as well. See it? Yeah, man, maybe 1 room, 2 room there, so this is a lovely. Let me show you upstairs view as well. You want to have a moonlight dinner as well. Watch what go on. You can kind of have a view in the cruise ship passing on the ocean. Yeah, man. Now I got clear view, you know. And that used to be a golf course, but from the COVID, it closed down, my peeps. Yeah, man, see it? Pool, so. So just a show you what go on. The umbrella where you can have your moonlight dinner or a little wine and your partner. The breadfruit tree is there where we just get the breadfruit off of. See it? Nice, man. Nice and warm, you know. And so you can always make it your home away from home, my peeps. Yeah, man. So I go on. You have all your own kitchen. If you can.
Yeah, you get your own kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, man. Room, bring it one kitchen here, yeah. Yeah, man. Bathroom around there, so balcony out the door, or balcony, you call it. See? Yeah, man. So I go on. Reach to the bedroom.
Yeah, patio, that's all.
So I go on. You have your own little kitchen here, yeah. You can, you know. You have a little toaster, a little hot plate, microwave. You have a little fridge.
Bedroom, bathroom, everything.
Yeah, man, nice little bedroom. And you have a nice little patio outside here. Yeah, man. Nice bathroom here as well. Yeah, man, see it? Nice. So yes, my peeps, always feel free to check it out. You know, if you ever thinking about coming to Jamaica and you want a little either way, yeah, man. Alright, now my peeps, you reach on the ground. My breadfruit them not so hot. The bees bite them or but there are a couple breadfruit. See it? So what we are going to use with the doing, my peeps. It's a pork, you know. You know, 2 nice pieces of pork. Yeah, man, we have a season over here, so same way. So, you know, see what go on. It's like kitchen area. All like cooking go on. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, so reach the breadfruit. Then, you know, we are going to set up a fire now. I'm going to see what go on. See pork. Next thing, you know, show you what go on. Ackee. See what go on. I'm going to run up in the Ackee tree now and get some Ackee. As you can see, a couple of one funny as well out there, so same way. Yeah, man. That's how I go on here. Now we have little rain. I don't know, rain from where there. That's Joe here now. So rain here now. Yeah, man, that's rain with peas, but that now I go tap the pot here now, so we are going to make up a fire now. Run up in the Ackee tree, pick some Ackee, go on with some Ackee and pork and roast breadfruit and peas. So stick and stay.
Yeah, my people. Get the Ackee them pick out, is it? Steady up. One and a sound you do not go use that one. We have holy parky, you know, so nice one like that one.
Fresh.
Watch your hand, people. Ackee stop them dirty, we wash off everything. You see, because them just drop off our trees.
Wash Ackee and wash Ackee, man. Can't wash Ackee and the tree beer soft.
Alright.
So yes, my peeps, finally we make up the fire. Yeah, man, fire make up on a blaze. So we are going to line up on next fire this, so as you see, I roast the breadfruit them over on the fire here, you know. So yes, so you know we are cooking pork, you know. So you know yeah man, because you know, we have to kind of half cook the pork, you know. Can't just fry up yourself, that got tough.
But people,
yeah,
don't know
man.
what thing going on. We're there, you know, people. We're active, you know. We're out here, do it for you. So we just want to do it for you. Just like up a video, them people.
Yes, my peeps.
Comment.
Yeah, man.
Share. Subscribe, people.
That's
it. All. And we have some content that good. Now that's all we are big.
Let's say you're going with.
up some fire stick. Put nail in them. See it? Turn back off fire. See it? Solid.
Yeah, man. Fire will make up ready to light up here now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, peeps. We have the strips. So the strips are going to help the fire to catch. So anytime you catch outdoor fire, make sure you have strips. Yeah, that is the key component for the fire burn.
Yeah, man. Time to put on the breadfruit and peeps.
So what you do then now, bro? You get...
Yeah, bust the middle so you can penetrate through the breadfruit, you know. They get a better roast. You know, so heat penetrate through the heart of the breadfruit. That is it, man.
Breadfruit on fire, peeps.
Man, so put on the pork, you know, because we have to kind of half cook, you know. Because if we don't half cook, you know, we can't eat. So.
Yeah, peeps. So the pork coffee half cooked because
Yeah, man.
we have a debone it, so you don't know that go.
Real and all that.
Breadfruit under there.
Set the fire a bit down.
What you say, Odin?
Yeah, man. A crazy thing for the HQ, yeah, my people. You don't know. Just stick and stay. That is it. Yeah, man. Stirring up the breadfruit in and now. Youngster style, you know. Aye, that is it, man. Watch our God, and them black. Yeah, man. Pork pan the fire. I go and cook down, you know. That is it, man.
Yep, so Ackee, you know.
Chef Omar.
Man out there. Long time not been in the
Bless
kitchen,
up people, no, man.
Yeah, man, a long time not been in the kitchen, so this morning out there is me in the kitchen because some Ackee.
Yeah, man. Where say we are going with?
Some Ackee and roast breadfruit and pork.
Yeah, man.
See how we come down, man. First, I bounce up at there, you know.
You see?
First, I eat that up at there, you know.
A legend, you know, people.
Alright, my peeps, see it? We are line up the pork here now, you know. Hey, bad boy, this is now we are going to put in the Ackee, you know. You see it? What we have here? I may tell him, say, I have cut up a little smaller. Not true, my people.
Look on that, people.
Nah, man, you want to cut up smaller, man. Dice up smaller, man.
Your knife not good enough, bro. A good
See
thing
it?
it pokes off. Yeah, peeps, so. I get the Ackee down in a pot now, you see me? Only for Ackee, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, so you know the thing go, you know? Get cover this up. Only for Ackee.
Yeah, man, we are wash up the seasoning, the peeps. So we have in there onion,
Pepper,
sweet pepper,
tomato,
Yeah man, scallion and thyme. We in the kitchen, we have Chef Omar's.
Out there, you know?
Yeah man.
One more time in the kitchen.
Yeah man, cut up the season them and all my peeps. You have to carry in the kitchen more, you know, make you angle your hand free. I see you laugh to yourself and like you say, whoa, that's beautiful. It's colorful, my peeps.
You're gonna catch up.
Hot! Hot daddy! Alright, my peeps. See there? Now we season the pork with some all purpose, you know. So we are going to fry up here now, you see it? Yeah, man. Pot there, so set on here now. Over here, so now we have Ackee, you know? Yeah, man. So that is it, my peeps. So just stick and stay tuned to it, you know. Yeah, man. So we are going to do the do. We soon get back to you. I remember I breadfruit them there, so you know. We have bake them, you know. See them brown? We have bake them. Yeah, man. So that is it. Everything active, man. So stick and stay tuned. Season them done, cut up here now. And things same way. Ready. Pot hot up. That is it, man. So just, oh God, my peep. Smell the hot scotch bonnet pepper coming from it. Marinating with the thyme. Oh God, man. Dash in the cooking oil and I pot now. Cause I know time to fry the pork soon.
You don't want more pepper, that you cut up all of the pepper now?
No, so I don't want no olive.
Oh, God. Take it off.
Just in.
Don't look in the phone now.
We have fried pork first. First stick them done.
Ready, now get the pork in our cup, people.
Yeah.
Pork in our cup, please.
See? Brown him down, you know. And you don't know, you know. This don't want a lot, you know, because you know that taste of the pork have. Yeah, man, and you don't know it's not a normal taste. Then you mix with the Ackee, with the scotch bonnet pepper, my peeps. I just see breadfruit, I wait for it, you know. Problem. Hey! Watch out, people, watch out. Just damn good.
Get the pork started, people. So you can throw in your season now. Throw in the Ackee and thing. That is it, peeps. Look on the road. Same time to eat. You say now, Chef Odin?
Yeah, man, right, man. Well, I get up something, you know.
Yeah, man, that smells good.
Smell the aroma there.
Yeah, man.
Holy bucket, this one, people. Yeah, man, I bad and all, man. pork and ackee, roast breadfruit. Oh God, man.
You want to see that? Get the breadfruit and peel and thing, you know? Okay, and the pork ready, so the breadfruit time now.
That a go on out there, Ran. Breadfruit peel up, ready up. All courtesy of Omar.
Out there, you know?
Yeah, man. Look how I go on my peeps. Really a lot of breadfruit, you know.
Make clean up my pan, you know?
Plate them out here ready. Box plate them and eat pan, you know.
Me.
Right now, it's a cocoa leaf I want to feed pan, you know. Yeah, man, it's a cocoa leaf I want to feed pan or a banana leaf. I don't want no sanitary plate, my peeps. Yes, man. Eat my peeps. Ready, you know. What up, you, I know. What's that? Come now, man.
Where you not say work, brother? Alright, where you going? You tap it. You tap that. Yeah?
Yeah, man, run food.
But you did.
You hold the camera like you're afraid.
But you did.
You see that, man?
Yeah, man. Run Ackee on my thing, man. Yeah, man. See my babe, bad like get you, but we are blaze food. Tell them, man, real cocoa leaf. In food I can't on a plate.
Oh, man.
That is it. What?
Food I'm strong. Good food, man. You're strong.
Cocoa leaf boss.
My plate this, man. Watch where I go on. See it? I don't want no plate. Watch where I go on. So yes, my peeps. I want to tell my peeps it's a good outing. God knows, really full dry the food, my peeps, as you see. You see what I go on. You see how I did a deal with it, not through my people. Yeah, man. And you see, run off a second that, 9 of a second that mean the food bad. Yes, my people, it's a good thing. Good try, you know. Been years now we not tried that menu, yeah, we did so and really full dried. Cause them food that we used to eat them from with grandmother come up to with mother. Yeah, man, so we decided so we want to try as well. And it work out my peeps. So we want to say just continue to send in some love, my peeps. Really appreciate it to the max. Yeah, man, continue. Blessings forever.